Now then everyone, how are you doing? Welcome back. So today I'm going to do some wallart, another fish one, because I do like my fishing. Sally's already looking at it. Hello Sally. I might be a little bit ambitious because it's going to be a pain in the backside. I don't know if you can make it out. So I'm going to do is have a couple of perch, as you can see there, and another, well, half one there. And these are going to be hiding amongst tree roots. So this will be actually the outside perimeter on this side. Take all that off and then we'll have just a half perch there. And then we've got the left hand side of the root will come in behind the perch and back out across. And what we're going to do is we're going to cut off, this will be the perimeter, but I'm thinking just it'll look nice, I think, if we can have the roots sticking out and then cut in between here, and it just gives it a bit more of a, makes the roots pop out a bit more. And the same along the bottom, so the main perimeter will be sort of waving along, and then we'll see if we can have some roots coming out this side of it, and then we'll have one of the root bodies will come over this side of a perch, so the perch is in front of that root here but behind this one, which will fork off into multiple directions, and I think that should really give it a bit of depth, hopefully. So yeah, I don't know if I'm making a big headache for myself, but you got to try these new things. If it works out, I think it will look stunning. Or it's going to be perch shaped firewood. We'll see. I'll find out in the next couple of days. So what we'll do is I'm going to move outside because I'm just in the shed at the moment, and we'll get this perimeter knocked off. We'll drop this level down, and then what I'll probably do, if I can do any more with the drop onto a battery saw and take a bit more off, score these out, I will do. And eventually we'll do a lot of the work in the shed, because the weather's not great for the next couple of weeks. Even though I like carving outside, I think it's going to be better to be in here and actually warm for once. Just on a little side note, at the weekend I finished the Snowy Owl on the stack of books. You might have watched the last video. This morning I've just got the airbrush on it and just added some shading, and I think it's made a big difference, especially around the eyes and just on the books and what have you, and then it's just defined the wings that little bit more. But yeah, definitely made a difference. And then Feathers McGraw looking like a penguin. So yeah, so we'll get this outside then, and I think we'll see how it goes. Fingers crossed. Right, I'll see you on the other side somewhere. I'm going to call it a day. I've got some firewood to process, I'm afraid. So you can see where we've got the basic shape going on there now. Maybe if I see from there it's a bit more, it steps down, that's the lowest level. I'm going to paint on a couple of roach bait fish, and then we've got the main roots above the, in front of the fish there, and we'll have a fish sticking out there. So yeah, tomorrow first job. Still got to do some work on the little saw, and then we'll start probably get it sanded down, and we'll see where we're at and start fine tuning it. But I think we'll have it finished carved tomorrow, and then it's airbrush time. So yeah, so we'll see you tomorrow morning, and hopefully it goes okay, right? On everyone, right, it's the next day. You will have seen already, I've been working outside, just doing the last of the roughing out, and then getting the sanding phase out the way. I hate sanding, but it's got to be done. So I've moved inside now, and just been doing a bit of general work, and you can see you can see a lot more detail there now. It's I tried to have it where I didn't have the roots sticking out proud too much. It'll just become a weak point and snap off. So all I've done is just chamfer off the edge. So they've still got a fair bit of wood layer to keep them strong, but it looks like they're just coming out a bit better. So yeah, no, I'm happy with that, considering it's a bit more complex for me. So yeah, so what I'm going to do, well, first off I'm going to have a quick bit of dinner, starving, and then we'll I think we'll get the airbrush out and see what we can do with her. I'm hoping she'll come out as nice as I planned. so yeah, see how it goes. So quick bit of scran, and then we'll get you on the stand, and yeah, see how it turns out, right? we go, guys. Job done. I'm really happy with that. I think it looks nice. Hand painted with Roach on. It's just a lot easier. But it turned out alright. But yeah, I think that looks lovely. Yeah, it is supposed to be up for sale, but I'm highly tempted to keep that myself. I do like my fishing, but no, I'm very happy with that. Enjoyed making that one. Had its own challenges, but I wasn't sure if it was going to work, but no, it's come out lovely. And just making sure the just having all the roots just sticking out that little bit more. It just, I don't know, I think it looks real nice. So yeah, very happy with that. So next job I'm going to start is an owl on a sort of signpost, probably about maybe 5 foot high. Yeah, that should look nice. Maybe just like a little tawny owl or something like that. And then that will probably keep me going for most of this week. And then after that, maybe at the weekend, I'll start on maybe start doing some benches. So yeah, like I say, we'll see you in the next video anyway. Thanks very much, guys. See ya.